Alright guys, I mean it with the title. This is actually kind of true. I think this stock could really double this week. It's kind of clickbait, not really, because, well, it brings up something really big. This is one of those opportunities. It moved slow last time in the marijuana stock space. I want to talk about this. You guys liked this video I posted last night. I think I might do this every night. I don't know. I might post one of these stocks I think is going to pop, go crazy or anything, but this is something I want to look at besides everything I covered on the stream. If you haven't checked that out, go check it out. We had a 7-hour stream today. I think I'm gonna go on tomorrow morning as well too, so make sure you guys have your post notifications on. Come through this stream, ask questions, subscribe to the channel if you're new, like this video. But what I want to talk about with this weed stock is Cronos. So you guys have heard about this. We'll look at it. There's crazy option activity. There's many ways to go about playing this too, because you have options. You could buy the stock, you could trade it, but what the big deal was, and this is real news, which was surprising, but Altria, Philip Morris brand, you know, that's who, or not Philip Morris, excuse me, but I think there's Altria and then Philip Morris was related to something else, but Altria is, you know, these guys pretty much own all the cigarettes you could think of. A lot of the cigarette companies you could think of. Them and Philip Morris. So these guys make the cigarettes, and now what's so crazy is that they are in talks, essentially, or there's a rumor that they want to buy Cronos Group, which is good because Cronos is small, and in the scale of the stock market, it's small. However, in the marijuana space, it's pretty big. And what it means for other marijuana companies in that space and other future actions is actually kind of huge. And the fact is, and this is what I'm concerned about and what I'm looking at. This is why I'm saying this week or not, the stock can make the move. It already moved, it faded, but that's going to be the opportunity we saw, because, you know, we saw what happened that last time with the elections and then Jeff Sessions. It moved slowly, but then these weed stocks popped, and then even what I'm saying is there could be even a potential move for a lot of weed stocks. I'm gonna keep my eye out on this, but what I was saying is what makes this serious is that Altria was in talks to buy a stake in Juul. You guys, literally, I have a crazy amount of Juuls on my desk already. I love the Juul, but they are trying to get a pretty big minority stake in the company, and the fact that they're even talking about Cronos Group is very important. So I'm gonna look into that. I want to see how this plays out, but I think it's very important how all of this could develop. I'd watch this week, and the fact that we have a dead day Wednesday, we might be able to see some news in there. I don't know, and I don't know if maybe during the talks of Juul this came up, but the things to go from here is watching Cronos Group, watching the rest of the weed stocks in play, and now too, finding more about these rumors and what other stocks could be in play, what has attracted Altria to Cronos Group and stuff like that. Maybe, I don't know, comment below, like the video, let me know. Maybe we dive deeper into Cronos Group and try to explore this buyout and see where, if we could really pinpoint who could be the winners and losers, if it's Cronos, someone else, so on and so forth. But I'm excited for it. I'll leave you guys that for tonight. Come to the stream tomorrow. Be prepared, be safe, be careful, especially with the options and these high volatility moves and stuff like that. But yeah, I love you. Peace out.